Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing another homebody mystery makeup. If you're new here, I got my palettes, wrote down, the shades, put on the card, separated it from master shimmers. I just kind of come on here, shuffle them up and then try to create a look. So last time I made a cut crease. I think this time I'll just pick 4 colors and I'll just see where the colors take me. So we have the cards here. I'm gonna close my eyes, look away, and shuffle them up. Okay, so I'm gonna pick, there's 2 from each pile, makes sense though. So that one and that one, and then we'll say this one and this one. Okay, so wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sure. Okay, so then we'll take these cards, move them over. And actually, since we're done with the shuffling, I'm gonna move you guys closer. Okay, so you guys are closer. Here are the cards. Can you see? Okay, so we have 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. So first matte is from ColourPop, Soft Cold from the Ooh La La palette. So I know this is gonna be a pink. 3502 Morphe. It's gonna be a brown. So 2 mattes. It sounds very Valentine's Day already. Valentine's Daisy. And then we have ColourPop Moonstruck Ooh La La. Okay, it's a shimmer. And then we have from the 35U row 1, column 1. So let me go get the palettes. It's 3502 Ooh La La and 35U. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and we have the palettes here. I don't like how that sounded. Okay, so Ooh La La, 3502, Ooh La La, 35U. So we have them here. We have the palettes, and it's like something random. A brow update. You can see like they're starting to peel. I kind of rubbed the scab off. I can't help it. They're starting to like peel, but like they're also starting to look better, and they're getting a little darker. So that's good. I'm used to them now, so like they don't really throw me off. But I know like when I'm in like when I'm out and about, I feel like I have to pull off because like my eyebrows are light, but I don't care. Let's go ahead and look at the colors. I want to do mattes first, so I'm going to pick Soft Cold Ooh La La. It was Soft Core. Wow, I can't even read my own handwriting. It's a very light pink. Look at the other one too, since I'm on the Ooh La La palette. And then Moonstruck, which is this really pretty color. And then we have 3502 row 3, column 3. Row 3, column 3, we have this color right here. And then we have row 1, column 1 from the 35U, which is a black, which I don't think is bad. Okay, so this is really, I can spin this and make this like Valentine's Day look. So I think I'm gonna do like a soft, like I think with this one I'm gonna do like a soft everyday look. It sounds, I mean, from like the other one, I'm kind of have like a lot of confidence. So I got my mirror right here, I got my brushes right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on, my concealer. Probably gonna pull my hair back too, because don't need this in my way. So I went ahead and put on my little headscarf. Excuse me if I look crazy, I kind of don't care at this point. I'm gonna put on my concealer for both eyes, and then I'll be right back. So somehow I always manage to put on too much concealer. Whatever. Concealer's on. Reminding myself of the colors. Row 3, column 3 is this color. Soft Core, Moonstruck, row 1, column 1. So I think I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 3502 palette, since it's just like a kind of orangey brown and my color, so we can use it as a transition shade. Picking out a brush. Here we go. Ooh, you guys see it? Jeez, okay. I didn't think I picked up that much. Okay, got that on one eye, hitting the next eye. Got that on. I think what I want to do is put the pink right here, put the Moonstruck in my inner corner, and then put like the black shimmer right here so it can kind of add depth. So I think right now I'm gonna go ahead and add the black. I'm gonna take this brush, take this, roll one, column one. Ooh, this is way too much. Put it on my outer corner. Pack it lightly, then blend it in. I'm kind of running it over the top of my lid to kind of create dimension. Stop. Take another, just take a blending brush and kind of softly blend that out. Cause ooh, black ain't nothing to play with. We can go back in with that brown because like it looks so harsh. Kind of gently pack that back in. Okay, then I'm going to hit the other eye. So we're done with the second eye. Now we're going to go in with the concealer for soft core. Just want a little brush. I'm just going to lightly paint it on, and then we're going to put it on. That's so much. What did Jenna Marble say? My too much Jean? You wanna stop? And then add the pink. Yo, this pink is weak. Come on, ColourPop. Okay, so then we're gonna pick another color, and then not pick another color. We're gonna go back in with the brown and maybe a little bit of the black, and we're gonna kind of blend it out a little bit. So this is the eye. Oh God, I need to blend it out a little bit better. Y'all, I'm trying. So that's one eye. I'm gonna go off camera and do the other one because I feel like you guys saw me do this one. You don't need to see both. Okay, you guys, so you see that I finished both eyes. I'm gonna put on some lashes because I feel like I need to. I'm not gonna put anything on the lower lines because I feel like, I don't know, it would take away from it. But also, I almost forgot. I gotta put on, you know, the Moonstruck in my inner corner. Put on my lashes. That needs to be cleaned. If I did not bring that glue, I'm gonna be so... Okay, so my eyelashes on, and I really do feel like eyelashes like elevate a look. This is the final look. I did not plan for it to come out like this. This is picked out by Cupid. Nobody can convince me otherwise. Like, whatever you gotta say, is what it is. It's facts. Something really simple. I'm proud of myself. I'm 2 for 2 right now, actually, so yeah, I'm real proud of myself. But let me take this off. Got my single mom hair popping. So, like I said, single look. This is a single look. This is the final look. I'm really proud of it. So tell me what you guys think. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also, please follow me on my Instagram at Brianna V Moon, and also my Twitter at YeezyTopMa. That's pretty much it for the video. You guys can tell me what you want to see, but I mean, you guys can of course comment, tell me what you want to see. I'm always open, like I said, like I always say, I'm always open for like suggestions. So please let me know. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like please, you guys. And then those who do, like I see you. We're building a bond. Like I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching again, and bye.